I don't know, is it just me, but people have been learning Serbian in a creative way. For the past couple of days, I have been on Reddit and I bumped into two interesting things. First was the short stories with audios and text based on AI, and the next one, I haven't tested the second one yet, is the chatbot on Telegram where you can practice Serbian. This is my mom, she's walking around. So I don't know what to think about that. I made those short stories in, let's say, analog way because I basically made a book that you can purchase on aboutserbian.com and you can check the free sample. But the rest of it, it's amazing, I think so, because now we are using our resources to improve our knowledge. The main problem with that I can say now is that people who are making all of those resources are not really teachers. So I would propose some kind of like collaboration between all the people who are doing those kind of interesting things. I don't know, what do you think about that? We can discuss. I'm open for discussion and for work.